These date cookies are soft and chewy, and it's infused with an amazing coffee flavor that goes pretty well with the caramelized, juicy and chewy bites of dates in between. It's super easy to make, and we don't need to wait for the dough to chill before baking, and so you can make and enjoy delicious date cookies in less than 25 minutes. We don't need to use any fancy equipments to make these cookies. So into a bowl, I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of softened butter and half a cup of sugar. Here I'm using a mix of both white sugar and brown sugar. If you want more softer cookies, you can use 100% brown sugar, or if you want your cookies to be more crispy, you can add 100% white sugar. And now cream the butter and sugar together. I'm adding 1 egg into this, and now we are going to add 2 amazing flavors to our cookies. To bring that vanilla flavor, I'm adding half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, and I'm also adding half a teaspoon of coffee powder, which brings a beautiful aroma and a wonderful flavor to our cookies. Whisk them all together until they get thick. And now let's add in 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and combine them all together. And now let's add in the chopped dates into this. So now we got a homogeneous cookie dough. Scoop the dough using a spoon or using an ice cream scoop. Drop it onto a parchment lined baking tray. And now they are ready to go into the oven. So place it onto a 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven in the middle rack and bake for 16 to 18 minutes. And after baking, we'll get those beautiful cookies. It smells amazing, and you can see our cookies will be soft when they are just out of the oven. So let's transfer them onto a cooling rack and let them cool down completely. They will become firm when they are cold. And these cookies have a delicious aroma of coffee, and I love those chewy bites of dates in between. We can have it with some creamy coffee or with some cold milk. And if you don't like the flavor of coffee, you can simply skip adding coffee powder. And if you love coffee, then you will love these cookies. It's one of my favorite cookies, and I hope you will enjoy them as much as I do. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love cookies and coffee. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.